Hey guys, Brendan with ZZ2 here. Today I'm going to show off our ZZC-SY4C. It's a camera integration kit for Ford Sync 3 and 4 vehicles. So the ZZC-SY4C, again, integrates cameras, up to three composite cameras into the factory Sync 3 or Sync 4 system of Ford. This covers vehicles from anywhere from around 2015 area in Sync 3 up to about 2019. They started to change to Sync 4 in some vehicles, only with the differential camera system factory. There's a couple ways to trigger the camera. We can do, there's manual methods and automatic methods. And by automatic, I mean after reverse, you could show the front camera. You could put a blinker on, and if you were doing side cameras, you can add those with both blinkers left and right. You can add a secondary cargo camera and turn that on automatically if you wanted from one of those methods. Otherwise, you can use a manual method, which would be like a wire trigger, or you can use it comes with a press button. It's another way to get a camera on going anytime you want. And then also you could use a steering wheel button. You press and hold, and it will fire on one of the cameras that you choose. Another great feature of the SY4C is that if the Sync 3 system didn't come with a factory rear camera, then you can program it on with this and then add a composite aftermarket camera, which is a great feature. On top of it, and then from there, you can actually add a front along with it. It's important to note that this system is only compatible with the Sync 3 8-inch version. Sync 4, there's some vehicles that have composite cameras in Sync 4, and this will work with those as well. But it has to be at least the 8-inch screen. It can't be the 4-inch version of the Sync. The system connects simply behind the APIM, which is the radio housing attached to the front LCD half. Plug and play, and then the rest of it is just wiring cameras in and choosing your options. There's also dip switches on, which give you a few different options for what you want to do. So if you're looking to integrate aftermarket cameras into your factory Ford Sync 3 or Sync 4 with composite system, this is a perfect solution for you. The ZZ2 SY4C, ZZ2.com, or give us a call.